Yo, what's good everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Lost Souls back with another video. Hope you guys are doing well. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. If not, thank you guys for tuning back in. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It literally takes a second, but it goes a long way. Help my channel grow. We're on our way. We're almost at 800 subscribers, and I'm super stoked. But today we're gonna be playing ball. I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride. We're gonna be going out of town actually, because right now the ball sessions in town are kind of like dry. There's not much going on, and yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride. You're gonna see some of the new hoopers that I played with. I played with them once. I meant to bring my camera the last time, however my battery was not charged, so this time I promised that I would bring it because I did charge it. So yeah, I'm gonna prep my stuff though first. So alrighty, yo, so today I'm gonna actually be wearing the Jordan Poole GT Cut 3s. I have not worn these in a very long time. I forgot how clean these are. It's just such a hard colorway to rock because it's gold and white. I don't wear too much yellow, and right now I'm wearing a gray top. Alright, y'all, so that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It literally takes a second. At the end, they tried trapping me. I don't know for what reason. I literally did not do anything that game, but the girl who was initially my man, don't be fooled, she's actually really like dirty. But there was another guy. He started trapping me at the end. They trapped me twice. I don't know why. And I ended up not making the girl. That was unintentional. But yo, it looked really clean. Then I sold the clip because I missed the layup. I was so pissed. But it was such a dope run. The thing is with guarding a girl is you don't want to play so rough because you don't want to hurt them. But at the same time, like, you don't want to play defense because then, like, guys kind of like they fault you for playing defense. So it's like it's a lose-lose situation when guarding a girl. So you're either gonna get cooked or you're gonna get like roasted by the guys because they're gonna be like, yo, you're playing too aggressive, so you can't win. So it's not that I don't like playing with girls, but it's just I'm a bit more like soft because I don't want to hurt them, you know what I mean, or like I don't want to make them feel bad. But it is what it is. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next video. Your boy Lost Souls tuning out. Peace.